Now it's about full, maybe slightly more for a better thumbnail. Yeah, like this. Now it looks like ash pile. And this is slightly moist, but I think it's going to help. And I give 25% for good rock, 50% for ash, and 25% for surprise. And here we go. Yes. Hey, looks pretty good. Yes.
Whoa!
We have had a really bad luck with the rock projects lately, but I think now we actually made a rock. Okay, so here it is, and it's much smaller than the ash pile that we put in, so there's quite a lot of air on the ash, and it feels really heavy. It feels, the density is probably pretty similar to like real rock, like granite or something. And how about the hardness? And I'm going to try to twist this in 2 pieces. Let's see how hard it's going to be. And there you can see it's like layers. There's like layers of carbon and some other stuff. I have actually no idea what the ash is made out of, what is left behind from the wood or other stuff when you burn it. But the like density is like rock, but the hardness is like a chocolate cookie. Okay, I think that's pretty reasonable amount. Okay, here we go again. Yeah, the sound is absolutely terrifying. No! Oh! Okay, so there is hope after all. Really interesting. Okay, let's clean the table and have a look. Okay, so this was super hard to push out. And let's... Oh,
Oi.
okay. Yeah. I think there is your answer for the age-old question. Can you turn glass into rock with hydraulic press? No, you can't. So I put some sand now here. And here we go. Sun smoke. Yeah, that's ready. Let's raise the tool up. It's really exciting. Ta-da! It's actually is rock. Check. Done. Yes.
Woo!
I'm not completely sure how hard it is. Let's try to hit it slightly. Yeah, it's like it's surprisingly hard. It was quite easy to crush, I just slightly crushed it, and now it's completely back to the sand. So in this video we turned sand to rock and then back to the sand. So I put my diamond coals there, like that. And now is the most exciting part ever. Just that fine powder, it's really fine now. Even like more fine than last time. I can see there is some really small like shining parts, but I'm quite sure that they are not diamonds. Yeah, now it's there and then we crush. I think it didn't. I didn't expect this to happen. This isn't rock. It's like, it's sand, hair sand. To use this tool, which is much smaller, so we're going to get huge pressure, and I'm quite sure that we can crush salt into the rock. Yeah, I think we can add more salt. Yep, I think we are ready. And yeah, we need hammer. Yeah, but let's see how hard this stuff is inside of that. I think the hole is so small that there isn't enough room for the salt come out in like big pieces. I think this is completely pointless. First we are going to make the salt stone with the press, which is really hard. And then we are going to grind it with the drill back to salt.